Wanted to give this as a gift. This is like the most popular advent calendar of the year for men. It's so hard to find men gifts, but I think this one is so exciting for teenage boys that really like to rough it, go camping, go fishing, stuff like that. But also for the man in your life who's also very outdoorsy, this is the advent calendar for him. I have already opened up each individually one of these to take a look, but I'm not going to do that again for this video. You can see what all is in it in my other video, but I will talk about it here. So if you don't want to know what's in it, don't do the spoiler alert, don't continue watching. I am super excited about this because it comes with a bag. One of the items in here is a bag that carries all the items that come with it. It has a spork, like a multi-functional spoon and knife thing that also has an edge on the other end. I don't want to say the word, but it has that on the other end, and it's like sheltered. That's pretty cool. It comes with a tactical pin that is like a pin on one end and self-defense on the other end. It comes with an emergency thermal blanket that's like folded up really, really tiny that retains body heat. It comes with some lures. It comes with some paracord bracelets. It comes with fire starters, the magnesium rod, and then the weatherproof fire starting ropes, parachute cords, a multifunctional card that goes into your wallet that is used for so many different things. This thing is so darn cool. This is the #1 advent calendar for men. I love it so much. I opened all of these. I'm so excited to